stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci and his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
This wig is from beautyforyou.com. I'm gonna link everything in the description below. But this is the Pure Natural. Oh, it says it's heat friendly like human hair. It's called Wiki. Okay, this wig is called Nikki. It's in the color 1B. Bohemian, all the specs will be below. Okay, so on the inside, the wig actually comes with no combs. So there's nothing in here but elastic band. Whoa, guys. This is a Wemby. It already comes so silky and smooth. I really don't even want to flat iron it. I think I am gonna flat iron it. Let's see what it says. So this is the hair straight out of the pack. No flat iron, no nothing. I didn't cut it, didn't do nothing. I'm just currently making the bangs kind of messier. It's really nice and smooth and silky. Like if this was in a more realistic natural color, like this could be an everyday wig, especially for girls who like bangs. This is 28 inches. Really? It says that the hair is 28 inches. I'm 5'5". This is the hair on me. Comes to the top of my boot tag. Yeah, so you can curl it up to 377 degrees. So that's what we're about to do now. We're gonna start flat ironing our hair. And this wig is from beautyforyou.com. The hair is really like silky, like it's silky. Yeah, I'm just flipping it over like this. No, we're not doing that. We just fucked it up. And if you guys are wondering what lipstick I have on, it's the Rihanna and MAC collection. Talk That Talk. Right now I feel like a character out of a cartoon. Yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but it's starting to look more natural. Do what you gotta do. If I had a number 2. So we're gonna just brush the sides flat. So the wig that I'm currently wearing is from beautyforyou.com. This is in the style, it says Wig Nikki, Pure Natural, Remy hair. I'm wearing the color 1B, so this is the darkest that this hair comes in. It's completely jet black. Yeah, it's super cute. Like, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and this hair is super cute. It's a real vibe. I wish that I had a more wearable color. Like, jet black is a vibe. People walk around with jet black hair. But me, personally, I can only wear jet black hair if I have, like, makeup on like this. So I want to get one of these wigs in like a number 2 or a lighter color, like that red brown sounds good. So if you want this to be an everyday wig, I would tell you to go with a more natural or a lighter color if jet black is not your vibe, you know, because some people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, that hair is black, black, black. My mom used to be like, no, you can't dye your hair jet black. And I'll be like, why? Why can't I dye my hair jet black? But got a jet black wig. Let me know in the comment sections what you guys think of this hair. Do you guys like it? Do you guys like the color? I have not had jet black hair in a minute. My braids underneath here are very salty. So if you had a flatter base, I think that the hair would be more of a vibe. You can, as you guys can see, put more bang down if you want to. Or if you want less bang, you could just, you know, really pull it to the side like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, we're about to hit 10,000. What? Okay, that's so awesome. See you guys next time. Bye. Hey, I love it when you talk that talk. Love it when you walk that walk. Are you guys feeling this hair? What? You gotta let everybody know what you think. Close your eyes.
Ah, I like it.
You do?
Yeah, it's cute.
No, it's black.
I've never seen you with bangs.
You never seen me with bangs, babe?
I don't think, not unless it was a big or a curly afro.
Come show them what you look like. My husband! Okay. Oh, he's so cute. You guys, I got on this chime. But yeah, why don't you take pics of me? Okay. Alright, bye guys!
Bad bitches only in my section. Bitches bitches only, and that's a lesson.